Hi. Today we will learn a few things about the Nullish Coalescing Operator in JavaScript. See here. We have a variable called user. It is only declared as of now. No value has been assigned to it. So it is undefined right now. So, to work carefully with this variable, I need to check if this variable is neither null nor undefined. This is how we do it. If it is neither, then it is safe to use further. But if it is either null or undefined, then we will use anonymous as the result. If we see this alert, we will get anonymous as a result. Now, if I assign some value to this user variable, then it won't be null or undefined. Now, if we see this alert, we will get .it.wala as the result. Okay. The Nullish Coalescing Operator helps us find out if a variable is neither null nor undefined. And we write that operator like this. 2 question marks. This operator does the same job as this line of code does. So here, if the variable to the left side of the operator is neither null nor undefined, then it is safe to use. Otherwise, the value on the right side of the operator will be used. See, I have again kept the user variable undefined. Now, if we see this alert, we will get anonymous as a result. And if I assign some value to this user variable, then it won't be null or undefined. Now, if we see this alert, we will get .it.wala as the result. Okay. We can use the Nullish Coalescing Operator multiple times in an expression. Like this. Here we have 3 variables. First name, last name, and nickname. The first and last names are null. So first, we evaluate the first name. It is null. So the control moves to the right side of the operator. Now we evaluate the last name. It is also null. So the control moves to the right side of the operator. Now we evaluate the nickname. It is neither null nor undefined. So it is safe to use. So if we check this alert, we will see .it.wala as the result. If the nickname was also either null or undefined, then the control would have moved to the right side of this operator. And we would have got anonymous as the result. But you may think that all this could be done with an OR operator also. So what is the need for this new Nullish Coalescing Operator in JavaScript? See, we have written the same expression with the OR operator now. And the result will be the same. So what's different? The OR operator returns the first truthy value. Whereas the Nullish Coalescing Operator returns the first defined value. Defined value means a value that is neither null nor undefined. So if a value is 0, false, empty string, all these will be skipped by the OR operator. Whereas, a 0, false, an empty string, all these values are okay for the Nullish Coalescing Operator. See this example. Here we have a variable called height. Its value is 0. If we use an OR operator to evaluate this variable, then the OR operator will skip the 0 value and jump to the next value, which is 100. So the result will be 100. Why? Because for an OR operator, 0 means a falsy value. The OR operator skips falsy values and finds the first truthy value. So it skips this 0 value and jumps to the 100 value. Whereas, in the same scenario, when we use the Nullish Coalescing Operator, it just checks if the value is defined or not. A 0 is a defined value because it is neither null nor undefined. So it is okay for the Nullish Coalescing Operator. So we will 0 as the result here. That's the key difference between the Nullish Coalescing Operator and the OR operator. Okay. What happens if we use both operators in a single expression? Who gets precedence? In JavaScript, both the operators, OR operator, and the Nullish Coalescing Operator, both have the same precedence. So if we use them plainly like this in an expression, then we straight away get a syntax error. We have to give precedence to either of them by putting them in parentheses like this. Here, we have given precedence to the OR operator by putting this expression inside parentheses. So this part will be evaluated first. And then, its result will be evaluated with the Nullish Coalescing Operator. Such questions do get asked in the interviews. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.